best parking sensors for SUVs and trucks improve safety, reduce blind spots, prevent collisions, and make parking easier in tight spaces. My today's video is about top 5 best parking sensors for SUVs and trucks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Echelon Car Reverse Backup Sensor. This parking sensor kit is a practical upgrade for drivers who want extra confidence while reversing. The included universal hole saw and drill head simplify installation, making it suitable for most cars, SUVs, and trucks without requiring complex modifications. Its intelligent beep alarm gradually increases in frequency as your vehicle approaches obstacles, providing clear, intuitive warnings that help reduce the risk of costly bumps and scrapes. The bright LED display adds another layer of safety by showing the precise distance to nearby objects, allowing for more accurate parking in tight spaces. Equipped with 4 high-sensitivity, weatherproof sensors, the system delivers reliable performance in rain, heat, and everyday driving conditions. Multiple color options help the sensors blend seamlessly with different vehicle finishes for a cleaner factory-style appearance. Complete with an English instruction manual, this DIY-friendly kit offers an affordable way to improve parking accuracy, enhance driver awareness, and protect your vehicle from unnecessary damage during daily use. Now our second product is Aeromox Backup Parking Sensors 8 System Car Reverse. This parking sensor system is a smart safety upgrade designed to make reversing easier and more confident. Its universal compatibility allows it to integrate with most sedans, SUVs, and trucks, offering a straightforward installation process without the need for professional help. The system continuously monitors the area behind your vehicle, providing timely alerts that help protect passengers, pedestrians, and nearby objects from accidental impacts. Featuring 8 high-sensitivity sensors, it delivers accurate distance detection with reliable real-time warnings, even in challenging parking situations. The bright digital LED display enhances usability by combining color-coded indicators with precise numerical distance readings, allowing drivers to judge available space quickly and accurately. A built-in automatic self-diagnosis function further increases reliability by continuously checking the system's performance and notifying you of any faults before they affect operation. Overall, this parking sensor kit combines advanced detection, user-friendly feedback, and dependable performance to improve everyday parking safety while reducing the stress of maneuvering in tight spaces. Our third product is Elsno Car Parking Sensors Kit Reverse Radar. This 8-sensor parking assistance system provides comprehensive protection by combining ultrasonic detection with intelligent distance calculation for safer driving. As obstacles reflect the emitted ultrasonic waves, the control box accurately measures the distance and instantly alerts the driver through sound, visual indicators, and numerical readings. Its smart activation system is especially practical. When reversing, the rear 4 sensors and front 2 sensors work together for maximum coverage, while braking automatically activates the front sensors to help navigate tight spaces. Even after releasing the brake, the sensors remain active briefly, ensuring continued protection during low-speed maneuvers. The display features 8 individual light bars that clearly identify which sensor has detected an obstacle, making it easier to judge direction and distance. Drivers can also personalize the experience with 3 alarm modes: voice, beep, or mute, and 7 adjustable volume levels. Overall, this parking sensor system delivers reliable obstacle detection, intuitive feedback, and flexible customization, making parking safer, easier, and more convenient in everyday driving situations. Now number 4, AutoExpert Reverse Backup Sensors Parking Radar System. This parking sensor radar system is a practical safety upgrade for drivers who want greater confidence when maneuvering in tight spaces. Equipped with 4 high-precision sensors, it accurately detects obstacles from 0.3 to 2.5 meters, helping reduce the risk of collisions while reversing or driving at low speeds. The intelligent backup alarm provides timely audio warnings, while the bright LED display shows precise distance readings from 30 to 250 centimeters, allowing drivers to react quickly and park with greater accuracy. Its high-visibility display and clear sound alerts remain effective during rainy weather and nighttime driving without being overly distracting. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hole saw, detailed English manual, and compatibility with most cars, SUVs, vans, and small to medium MPVs. Built with upgraded chips and fast response sensors, the system delivers dependable obstacle detection in temperatures ranging from -30°C to +70°C. Overall, this weatherproof parking sensor kit offers reliable performance, improved parking safety, and excellent value for everyday drivers. And our last choice is Promata PSW8112-24V wireless parking sensor. The Promata PSW81 parking sensor kit delivers a thoughtful combination of safety, convenience, and intelligent technology for everyday driving. Its upside-down digital display can be adjusted to suit different installation positions, ensuring clear and accurate distance readings regardless of where the screen is mounted. The built-in self-test function continuously checks sensor performance and immediately alerts you if a fault is detected, improving reliability and reducing the risk of unexpected failures. With 3 adjustable alarm volume levels, drivers can choose the notification intensity that best matches their preference and driving environment. The intelligent detection system is another standout feature, as it recognizes tow bars and spare tires to minimize false alarms while supporting both 12V and 24V vehicles for broad compatibility. Equipped with 4 OE standard ultrasonic sensors, the system provides comprehensive rear coverage with a detection range of 0.3 to 2.5 meters, helping eliminate blind spots. Overall, this parking assist kit offers dependable obstacle detection, flexible installation, and enhanced confidence when parking in tight spaces. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.